Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of interior design as we explore some of the most beautiful living room and dining room combo layouts. These designs are particularly ideal for open-plan homes, spaces that effortlessly blend comfort, aesthetic style, and functionality into one harmonious environment. An open-concept space can serve as the heart of the home, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere while remaining practical for everyday living. The key to achieving this balance lies in thoughtful and strategic design choices that enhance both the visual flow and the distinctiveness of each area within the combined space. To create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere, start by selecting a color palette that promotes unity throughout the living and dining areas. Soft, neutral tones can open up the space and make it feel larger, while accent colors can add personality and flair without overwhelming the senses. Next, consider the arrangement of furniture. For instance, placing a stylish sofa in a way that faces both the television and the dining table can foster an inviting conversation area while ensuring that the dining space remains easily accessible. Additionally, using rugs can help define separate areas within the open layout, functionally marking the living space from the dining area, and adding warmth and texture underfoot. Lighting also plays a crucial role in enhancing the atmosphere. Mix different types of lighting, such as ambient, task, and accent lights, to create a layered and inviting environment. A stunning chandelier above the dining table can become a focal point, while soft floor lamps in the living area can invite cozy gatherings. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of decor and accessories. Thoughtful decor, such as artwork, plants, and decorative cushions, can enhance the aesthetic appeal while providing personal touches that make the space truly feel like home. Strategically placed mirrors can not only add elegance but also amplify light and give the illusion of a larger space. By combining these elements, color, furniture arrangement, lighting, and decor, you can create an open-concept living and dining area that is both practical for everyday use and visually stunning. Together, we will journey through various layouts to inspire you to craft your ultimate living room and dining room combo, ensuring that your space is as beautiful as it is functional. Start by selecting a cohesive color palette that ties your living and dining spaces together. A thoughtfully chosen color scheme can transform the ambience of your home, making it not only aesthetically pleasing but also creating a sense of flow between different areas. Soft neutrals, such as creams, beiges, and light grays, are excellent choices as they evoke a calm atmosphere and provide a versatile backdrop for various decor styles. Alternatively, you can opt for complementary tones that bring warmth or vibrancy to the space, such as soft pastels or muted earth tones. Incorporating accents of darker shades can add depth and contrast, making the overall design feel more sophisticated and grounded. Consider the natural light in each space. Warm colors can make bright areas feel cozy, while cooler tones can enhance the elegance of shadowy corners. Next, use furniture placement to define zones within your open-concept layout. Strategic arrangement of furniture is key to creating distinct areas for relaxation and dining without the need for full walls or barriers. Placing a sofa perpendicular to an exposed wall can create an inviting living area, while the back of the sofa can act as a subtle divider between the two spaces. Include a stylish area rug beneath the sofa to visually anchor the seating and establish a clear boundary. In the dining area, a well-placed dining table serves as the focal point. Consider using a round table for a more intimate setting or a rectangular one for a more formal dining experience. Area rugs play a pivotal role, not just in providing comfort but also in visually defining areas. Choose rugs that complement your color palette. You can also utilize lighting to enhance the distinction between zones. Pendant lights or chandeliers above the dining table can create a formal atmosphere, while softer floor lamps or table lamps in the living area lend warmth. Additionally, the orientation of furniture, such as angling chairs towards one another or the dining table, promotes conversation and interaction, making spaces feel more inviting. Incorporating bookshelves or decorative screens can also add character and delineate spaces without overwhelming the openness of the layout. With thoughtful planning and execution, your combined living and dining areas can achieve a harmonious balance that is not only visually appealing but also functional and inviting. For small spaces, it is essential to choose compact, multifunctional furniture that maximizes utility without overwhelming the area. A round dining table is particularly beneficial as it offers a softer, more inviting aesthetic while allowing for easier movement around the table, making it an ideal choice for tighter spaces. Additionally, open shelving can provide storage without blocking sightlines, keeping the layout feeling airy and organized. Incorporating bench seating not only saves space but also creates an informal, cozy atmosphere perfect for gatherings. If you enjoy hosting and entertaining, strategically positioning your dining area closer to the kitchen can significantly enhance functionality. This layout facilitates a seamless flow of movement and encourages social interaction between the cooking and dining spaces. Adding a stylish chandelier above the dining table or pendant lights over the kitchen island not only brightens the area but also infuses a cozy and elegant vibe into your home, making mealtimes more enjoyable and aesthetically pleasing. In larger spaces, achieving a sense of balance and symmetry between the dining and living areas can help create a cohesive look. This can be done by using matching tones or textures in furniture and decor elements, such as selecting a similar color palette or repeating decorative motifs like artwork or textiles in both zones. This approach unifies the space, making it visually dynamic and harmonious while maintaining each area's unique function. By thoughtfully designing each aspect of the layout, you can create a welcoming atmosphere that is both stylish and practical. Finally, add personal touches, like artwork, greenery, or statement lighting, to bring warmth and personality to your open-plan home. Incorporating elements that resonate with your individual taste can significantly enhance the overall atmosphere of your space. For instance, carefully chosen artwork can serve as a focal point, inspiring conversation and reflecting your personal journey. Greenery, whether in the form of potted plants or hanging vines, not only improves air quality but also adds a fresh and lively touch, creating a sense of tranquility. Statement lighting, such as unique chandeliers or contemporary fixtures, can dramatically alter the mood and ambience, making the area feel inviting and stylish. Your living and dining combo should reflect your lifestyle, whether it's cozy and intimate for family gatherings or sleek and modern for entertaining friends. It's essential to choose furniture pieces that suit your flow and usage patterns. If you prefer a more relaxed setting, opt for plush sofas and layered textures. For a contemporary vibe, consider minimalist design elements and clean lines. With the right layout, you can transform your open space into a beautifully cohesive home. Think about defining areas within the open floor plan. You can achieve this with rugs, furniture arrangements, or even varying wall colors to create distinct but connected zones. Thanks for watching. Your engagement supports us, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more interior design inspiration and layout ideas. Stay tuned for upcoming content that will delve deeper into maximizing space, choosing the perfect color palettes, and curating functional yet stylish designs for every corner of your home.